GepRC Mark5. I'm gonna be taking it fairly easy, mostly treating it like a Cinewhoop, just because I don't know how powerful it's gonna be. I'm not gonna be used to it at all. I don't know how it's gonna fly. I don't know how it's gonna react with the GoPro and everything. I just want to get used to it before I do anything too crazy, especially with animals and a bunch of cars nearby. So yeah, just something simple. Another thing I found out that wasn't on the listing for the quad itself, but it is for the VTX. The VTX has an onboard microphone, so I'll put a clip of how that sounds here. So, let's go.
Can't breathe when you with me. Know how it feels like. Intoxicated me. Know how it feels like. I want to let you see. So how it feels like. Destroy all chains on me. I know it feels like. I wanna know who you really are. What you dream about at night. I know it feels like, feels like. I know it feels like I'm in love. I know it feels like, feels like. I know it feels like I'm in love. I hope I never lose this feeling. I hope it never goes away. And when we're dancing on the ceiling, you know you're killing my pain. I wanna know who you really are, what you dream about at night. I wanna know who you really are. Baby, come through the light. I know it feels like, feels like. I know it feels like I'm in love. I know it feels like, feels like. I know it feels like I'm in love. Under pressure, no more time. Can we make a move? Overthinking, you and I. What do we have to lose? 'Cause I'm wasting all my time thinking of the things we could do. If you gave me one more sign, I could find a way to break through. A way to break through. Ooh, 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 ooh. A way to break through.
Just some grass. She's fine. Fucking A. Loose prop. Alright, that'll do it for the maiden. Hope you guys enjoyed. That was pretty fun. I did better than I thought. Still need a little bit of proximity work, but rock on. Happy flying.